Hey, this is Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning, and I just wanted to kind of give you a brief overview of a job we just completed, just to kind of give you a step-by-step process of what we did. So you can see these carpets here are heavily stained and spotted with pets. These carpets had sat dormant for around 5 to 7 years, from 2017, I believe, up until 2023. The homeowner had passed away, and these carpets hadn't been touched; they'd been boarded up. And so a lot of these things were going to be permanent, but we went ahead and treated them. We treated them with our regular preconditioner, and then we also added some urine treatment, and we actually treated this over the entire carpet just because there were so many spots and so many urine stains there. We just went ahead and did the whole carpet, and we did a topical treatment. And you can see here we're using our counter rotating brush to work in the preconditioner, and this gets it deep into the face yarn and even some to the lower portions of the carpet. And this really helps break up any spots that are not permanent stains. Will help them come out and also deal with a lot of the odors. Afterwards, we hot water extracted it, and as you see here, hot water extracting it with our max flow wand. And then afterwards, when we were finished, we used our groom to groom it out, and carpets came out looking fantastic. Look a lot better than we were expecting them to look. There were still a lot of stains there, but for the most part, everything came up pretty good.